Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, giving you the best of the best and the real are the real. Vybz Kartel is definitely not playing. He released 3 new songs, including Secret, Ouchia, and Girls Wanna Have Fun. Notice how all artists are females. I wonder what Vybz Kartel has up his sleeve. Jada Kingdom and Stock Ashley finally released their song Wasteman. Here's a preview of that.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, 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 yeah. No time for waste, oh no. Put on it too good for give a waste, man, no. Step on another level, me the real one done. Ready for whatever matter, fuck your time, no time for waste, oh no. Put on it too good for give a waste, man, no. Step on another level, me the real done, yeah. Ready for whatever matter, fuck your time.
Upcoming artist Cyclone has reached the top of the reggae charts with his songs Make It Clap, which includes Conscience and Epic Jones. Congrats, and I'm sure there's many more to come. UK artist Lady Leshur has made her debut appearance on Love and Hip Hop Hollywood. Here's a clip of that. Congratulations to Shenseea for reaching 1 million followers, making her the 3rd dancehall artist, including Spice and Popcorn, for reaching the 1 million mark. But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.